G'day. For everybody that's losing their minds about coronavirus and panic buying toilet paper, I thought I'd show you a little life hack that I learned a while ago. And this one is how to wipe your bum twice with an A4 sheet of paper. So to get started, what you want to do is tear your A4 sheet of paper in half, which I believe makes A5. So then what you want to do is fold it like this, in half there, and then you fold it again, just like that. So you've got it folded, and then what you do is you just tear out the inside corner, just like that. Now what you want to do is hold on to that piece. That piece is really, really important. Don't throw it away. So then open it back out. You've got a hole in the center. So what you do after you've done your business is put your finger through there. Use your finger to clean out your bottom like that. Once you're done, you can clean your finger off with the piece of A5 like that. And this is the important part. The little piece that you kept is absolutely perfect for cleaning out underneath your fingernail. Just like that. So there you go. Little life hack from Stay at Home Mum. Stay fun. Bye.